Now that we had the 50, we had the 30M, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where do we go next? Is that the new one? Is that this? This is the new baby, right? This is the 50M.
So this is this is the Evolve 50M, where it's like the Evolve 50. It's the 12-inch sub. It's the 8 3.5. So you have that higher output level, that a little bit more impact from the subwoofer.
Mm-hmm.
But then you're also getting the additional inputs and that flexibility of the built-in mixer. And we actually were able to cook up a new little feature on the Evolve 50M that actually allows you to link two of them together and actually use double the inputs seamlessly.
Okay.
As if it were just one larger mixer.
So you basically have crammed the size, shape, and performance of a 50 with all of the inputs and flexibility and mixer capabilities of a 30, kind of married those two, and then taking it one step further. And I think that's the Quick Smart Link feature that we have over here, right?
Exactly.
So the big new feature in the Evolve 50M is this Quick Smart Link. So you turn it on, right? It fires up, and then with a simple connection of the Quick Smart Link, we can then do what?
So what's great is it allows you to double all the inputs and treat them as one mixer. Mm-hmm. It's also a digital audio transport, so your stereo signal is shared between the two.
Okay.
And it sets up in just 2 easy steps.
And show me how that works then. So I've plugged it in, and then what do we do?
Yeah. So once you're powered up and plugged in, you can see it automatically knows that you're connecting the Quick Smart Link, and it asks you, hey, do you want to send or receive the parameters? And this is just the parameters are on this unit versus the second one. Which one do you want to copy? For here, we're just going to send the ones from here. It then is going to ask, hey, is this speaker stereo left, stereo right, or is this a mono setup? And you just pick which one it is, and that's the house stereo house, what the audience will hear. You just click there, and you're set, and you're done. That's all it is.
And so actually, this is now sharing the mixer section from both the left and right. So I can plug in my guitar to the left, I can plug in a bunch of mics to the right, and you will see that now in the app.
Right, you'll be able to control all inputs from the app. So now that we're connected, and all the inputs they're now shared between that link and the two, and in the app you can see we're linked here, and you just go into one, you can edit the mixer, and here you have the 8 channels on one, but just simply click, and now you're on the second one. Just a simple swipe or click back and forth, and you can control all inputs as if it was just one larger mixer.
So they're totally shared in one complete system. So with a pair of Evolve 50Ms now, how many inputs do I have here? What's going on? How much stuff do we got now?
Yeah, so you have all mic line inputs. So there's 4 on each, so that's a total of 8 mic or line inputs. Now you have 2 stereo line inputs, and you still have both Bluetooth connections should you need it.
And that's just connecting that network cable between the two, and away you go. I mean, it's that simple.
Right, and you can control all those inputs from the app. You can see we're linked here. There's the link icon showing that. But the other cool thing is all your system parameters are also linked. So things like the volume are automatically linked between the two. So you don't have to go back and adjust it on each one. It just does it automatically. The system EQ, the mode, whether you're in live mode, club mode, it changes it all, or it syncs it all between the two. So it's just super easy to run both systems at once.
And so you can run that app remotely from an iOS or Android device, anything?
Exactly, yes.
Okay, and then if I don't have a phone or a tablet with me, can I still make those changes just on the speaker itself if I needed to?
Absolutely. All the controls are also available through the DSP here with the encoder knob, the individual input controls, everything that you would need. You can also access from the back of the LCD.
Oh, very cool. I mean, that's actually, expanding into a system. When you think about how much stuff you can do with this, this is the next evolution, right? It used to be all passive speakers and outboard amplifiers. Then we started cramming amplifiers into the speaker. Then we started cramming signal processing into the speaker. Now we're adding, this is a full-blown, it's a 16-channel mixer into the speaker. All I need is this and my guitar or a mic, and I'm good to go.
Well, right, yeah, and you can do a lot more than just one guitar and one mic. You can
Right.
actually do a pretty decent sized band with this.
Yeah,
rig.
you can bring the whole band. And I mean, I guess you can sell the bus and buy some Evolve, and you're good to go.
There you go.